Welcome back to All About Food. If you're new here, hello, I'm Christie.
For today's video, we are going to bake tahong. We need 2 tablespoons flour, 2 tablespoons butter, 1 can evaporated milk, 4 cloves garlic minced, dash of salt, a dash of white pepper, a dash of Lea Perrins Worcestershire sauce, 1 box 160 grams heated milk Sarap cheese, 1 kilo tahong pre-boiled with ginger and salt, silicone wire whisk, cheese grater, baking pan, and a pan. Preheat your pan. Put the butter. Add the flour. We are making a roux. Then add the minced garlic. When you smell the garlic, add the milk. Add salt, white pepper, and Worcestershire sauce. Pwedeng mas thick pa dito. Depende kung ano yung mas gusto ninyo. Prepare a grated cheese habang hinihintay mong lumamig yung milk mixture mo. Put some milk mixture over your mussel or tahong, depende kung gaano kadami yung gusto mo. Add the grated cheese on top. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes. There you have it, our baked tahong. Enjoy!
Para sa susunod nating episode, ano po ang gusto nyong ituro ko sa inyo? Kung gusto niyo po akong maging culinary trainer, please see the description below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing to my channel if you're new here. Hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I post a new video. Have a great day. Thank you for watching.